Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me. And this is going to be a 5-part series where I talk about some plants that are in my garden. Let's get to it. First off, for the plants that I would like to talk about, we have American Elderberry. I have 2 of these plants, and the scientific name for it is Sambucus nigra. Health benefits include that it boosts your immune system, it's rich in antioxidants, it supports heart health, it reduces inflammation, and it may help with cold or flu. It's a perennial, and an interesting fact about it is that it has a history of traditional medical uses dating back to ancient times. Here's my other elderberry plant. I thought it had died because there was 2 right here, but it seems like it still is hanging in there with this little sapling that it's trying to grow alongside one of the branches. Hang in there, little guy. While it is rich in antioxidants, it is also important to note that it has strong antiviral properties as well. That being said, this plant produces berries, as noted in the name, and it is important not to consume them raw, as they are toxic when raw and have to be processed before they can be utilized. All right, you guys, that's a wrap for part 1 of 5 of the series of plants that I'm showcasing in my garden. I'm going to try to do these kind of quick plant profiles a little bit more in the future, but I'm going to do 4 more videos like this, and then I'm going to do a compilation that is entirely of all 5 of them. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time.